You've been searching for a perfect house, and now you've finally found a place. You can laze around and sip on your coffee. You can strut around the house in jammies and a tea. It is now that you will enjoy it. Time ticking by slowly to retire to such a life. Especially family time with loved ones. You are really lucky in this place. You can call home. This is a rare opportunity for all buyers to buy this one-of-a-kind dream house. Check out this beautiful home located within a family-friendly neighborhood in the Sylvan School District of Modesto. This house features an RV access, freshly painted exterior and garage, a newly installed metal side gate, a front porch gate, and an RV driveway gate for extra security. It has an amazing year-round entertainer's backyard with a huge lot, a barbecue area, a pavilion-raised wood deck, and most of all a swim spa. For swimming, exercising, luxury soaking during wintertime, and relaxing within feet of sizzling hot dogs on the grill in the summertime. Inside the house, you will find a dramatic high ceiling in the combo living and formal dining area with an Italian crystal chandelier. The chef's kitchen has a new LG refrigerator, GE profile stainless steel double oven and microwave. A new quartz countertop, and white cabinets. It has a 3-car garage that offers additional storage or workspace. The spacious master bedroom downstairs is a walk-in closet, shower stall, bathtub, and new vanity in the master bath. An updated metal baluster in the staircase. Upstairs you will find 5 bedrooms, 2 full baths with new vanity. A loft and a possible tech area for your kids to enjoy and study. Spacious bedrooms upstairs for your growing families. This isn't going to last. Schedule your showing or check out our virtual tour before it's gone. Take this opportunity to make this your special home. On behalf of my sellers, thank you for checking my 3301 Hillglen Avenue Modesto listing.